So picture this, you're in a Microsoft Teams meeting at work, but you have ChatGPT on, viewing your screen, not only summarizing the discussion, but also feeding you real-time suggestions on what you should say based on the discussion. Or my favorite, you're playing Diablo 4 facing Uber Lilith, Torment 4, if you know, you know, and you're struggling to stay alive. What if ChatGPT could give you advice on the tells or actions right before they happen to keep you alive before you get that one-shot kill from Lilith? So this isn't the future, it's here, or pieces of it are starting to be here, and it's transforming how we work and play. Let's break it down. So OpenAI just released this new feature that allows ChatGPT to connect to your apps via their desktop application. Ryan Morrison from Tom's Guide actually wrote this excellent piece on why he thinks it's the biggest update, I think, in AI or ChatGPT of the year. In its current release, ChatGPT can see and read what you're doing in developer tools like Xcode, Terminal, VS Code, even TextEdit. For example, it can analyze your code, debug it for errors, and offer suggestions. But soon it'll be able to interact directly with these tools. So make changes, run commands based on your instructions in natural language. But that's just the beginning. It'll be able to interact with other applications like Google Drive, Google Docs, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. That means you can ask it to draft a report, clean up a spreadsheet, or even generate a full presentation just by natural language, whether by text or through advanced voice mode. So let's imagine some possibilities when all these features are fully unlocked. The first one is real-time interaction with your apps. What if ChatGPT can see and interact with all the apps on your desktop or on your phone too? So you're working in Excel and you have errors in your formulas. So ChatGPT can offer suggestions or make the changes automatically. In a Teams meeting, not only can it summarize the meeting in real time, but it can offer you suggestions on what to say based on your conversation, whether it's a tough conversation, whether it's an interview or you're being interviewed. There's a lot of different opportunities here. The number two, advanced voice mode. With advanced voice mode, you're not just typing anymore or issuing commands, you're actually having a conversation. So imagine saying, ChatGPT, schedule a meeting with my team for Friday and draft an agenda. Or optimize this slide deck for a client, and it starts immediately. Number three, agentic features. So here's the game changer. ChatGPT won't just assist, it'll act. It'll control your applications via your commands, whether you talk or you type. So you're managing a project and you say, ChatGPT, create a new task in Asana, assign it to Sarah, and set the deadline for Tuesday. Or if you're editing a report and you say, insert a summary for last month's sales data and do a month-over-month analysis. ChatGPT pulls the numbers, inserts the summary, and formats it, all without you lifting a finger. This combination of real-time observation, voice interaction, and direct control is a revolution on how we work. It's not just helping you save time, it's a fundamental change in how we interact with technology. So what other business use cases or even brand new use cases can you think of based on these new AI features?